Colts are kicking the stigma in partnership with the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention Indiana to help promote mental health awareness. And they're doing it in a new way to spark conversation. Brett Kramer, director of Kicking the Stigma, and Brandon Piskevich, programs director of the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention, joined me this morning to share more on this message. I appreciate you both being here. Brett, I want to start with you first. Just let people know you guys are launching this on September 1st.
Yeah, so this weekend we're launching our Coffee Sleeve collaboration. And I first want to make note, this is something that AFSP has been doing for years. So Brandon and his team have been doing an incredible job. So we're kind of joining the initiative this year, and we're putting these coffee sleeves in more than 60 coffee shop locations throughout Indiana.
And this is basically to bring awareness to mental health as well.
Absolutely, and really our goal is these to be conversation starters, especially in coffee shops where people are naturally sitting down with their friends or loved ones, whether they're networking. We're trying to remind people it's okay to not be okay, and really normalizing these conversations in our everyday lives.
It is so important that we all talk about it, because you know, when you don't talk about it, that's when you wish you had talked about it with people. Brandon, jump in here, because why is this so important?
I think it's important because we really want to try to meet people where they're at in the community. And so for me anyways, coffee shops is one of those places where you can meet me, and a lot of other people too. And so it's a really organic place to have these coffee sleeves and these conversation starters. What
do you want the people to know about the latest efforts in fighting mental health and things like that?
I think probably the biggest thing is that you don't have to have any sort of special training in order to have a caring conversation with somebody that you care about who might be in a crisis, or who might be, experiencing thoughts of suicide. So that caring conversation is really important. Just reaching out and letting them know that you care and that you support them.
Right, we know this is big for the Colts and the organization, and Kicking the Stigma is nothing new, but you all are making sure that everyone out there knows about this organization and what you all are doing to fight it.
Absolutely. It's so important for us to use our platform of the Colts for Good in this space, and we're led by great examples with the Ursay family on really how they share their story and are very open about their own mental health journeys. So we're just trying to show the communities, no matter where you're at, we're here for you. And I think the best part about these coffee sleeves too is there's links to resources. So if you're having a day and you see the coffee sleeve, we have 988 on there, and we have a QR code as well if people are interested in finding resources for themselves or a loved one that they think might be in need.
And let's talk about the different locations for people who may want to pick up a cup of coffee and get one of the sleeves.
Yeah, so like Brett said, over 60 locations in Indiana. It's the largest amount that we've had participate so far during this project, which we're really excited about. 75,000 sleeves. So really in all pockets of the state. So we have, primarily here in Indianapolis, but we have a lot of other locations in smaller communities across the state, which is really amazing too, because we know sometimes those rural communities don't have as much access to mental health care. And so being able to provide them with something as simple as this is really impactful.
All right. Thank you both for being here, and happy Friday to you.
Thank you too.
To learn more about this collaboration to promote mental health awareness and see which coffee shops will be participating, just go to our website, fox59.com/links. Angela?